Hello friends, you are welcome again. Today I want to show you another way of washing your pan or pot without vinegar. If you have not washed the one with vinegar, you can wash it here. We are going to use baking soda and lemon. Let's get started. Pour baking soda. Add lemon. Leave it for some minutes to soak. After a few minutes, you can see it's cleaning. Wow. You can see it's cleaning. This is perfect. Wow. I don't want this video to be too long. Let me quickly clean it. So let's wash it out and see how it looks. Wow, this is perfect. You can see how it's looking. You can see how it looks. It worked perfectly. So if you don't have vinegar, don't worry, just use baking soda and lemon and leave it for a few minutes and it will work perfectly. You can see how clean it looks. So try it and let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Please support me by subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye. God bless you.